A warm welcome to everyone. I am Arun TN. In this presentation, we are going to see about English in schools. First, we can see about Gujarat Scope English project. The client is state government of Gujarat and the country India. Cambridge English Language. Assessment developed a custom-made program of language assessment of the state government of Gujarat, India as part of a program aimed at providing its workforce with English skills for the international marketplace. As part of the big group of countries that is Brazil, Russia, India and China, India has continued to experience economic growth with its skilled workforce, making it popular with foreign investors. It therefore become vital for many companies to have the right language skills to compete with international business. However, while students and professionals in India have good technical skills, many lack the relevant level of English language and struggle in the job market. The state government in Gujarat responded to this challenge with the initiative to raise the level of English among the students and the workforce. They created the Society for the Creation of Opportunities through Proficiency in English to manage the project and appointed us to fulfill the assessment requirements. Learning centers were set up across the state to provide especially developed English courses. We produced the Gujarat English language test to access ability at pre-A1 level to level A2 of the Common European Framework of Reference of Languages, shortly known as CEFR. More able candidates are offered bullets, that is business language testing service, which access up to level C2. Linking the scope program testers to the CEFR allow learners to approach employers with a language qualification linked to an internationally recognized standard for describing language ability. Tests are subsidized by the government and are available to all members of the public. To ensure value for money, we localized many of the operation process, reducing running costs and enabling savings to be passed on to learners. Since its launch in 2007, approximately 250,000 students have benefited from the Gujarat English language test, with scope almost 50% of candidates reaching the highest level A2. Many students continue to take bullets and research study is underway to assess the impact of Cambridge English assessments It has become vital for Indian companies to have the right languages skills to compete for international business. After that, we have a look at the developing language and teaching skills. In this team, client is Tech Mahindra Foundation, Corporation of Chennai and the country India. Cambridge English Language Assessment, together with the Tech Mahindra Foundation and Cambridge University Press, are working with the Corporation of Chennai on a professional development program for the city's English language teachers. The professional development program is funded by the Tech Mahindra Foundation, established by the multinational conglomerate Mahindra Group in order to support its CSR, corporational social responsibility initiatives. The aim is to increase the linguistic and pedagogical competence of primary and secondary school English language teachers and to identify those teachers with the potential to become master trainers, thereby enabling Chennai's teaching profession to become self-reliant in training and development. It was launched in 2013. The pilot project has delivered its first objective, a benchmarking assessment of existing English language competence. The assessment first measured the skills of 100 teachers from 79 primary schools across the city using the Cambridge English Placement Test. The same teachers then undertook a short 48-hour preparation course before taking either Cambridge English, KE or Cambridge English preliminary administered by Cambridge University Press. Results showed that our best teachers made a significant improvement in their skills after taking a short program. However, closer analysis revealed that listening and speaking skills were relatively weak compared to reading and writing. This knowledge is being used to modify the learning course of subsequent programs. The benchmarking pilot was considered a great success by both Chennai and Tech Mahindra Foundation. As a result, Cambridge English has been asked to repeat the project and to extend its scope in terms of the numbers assessed, possibly extending the project to other cities. To do this, Cambridge English will work with external training providers who have the infrastructure required to train significant numbers and who can also validate an approach which could become a model for English teacher development in other regions worldwide. The benchmarking pilot was considered a great success by both Chennai Corporation and Tech Mahindra Foundation. As a result, Cambridge English has been asked to repeat the project and to extend its scope in terms of the benches assessed, possibly extending the project to other cities. To do this, Cambridge English will work with the external training providers who have the infrastructure required to train significant numbers and who can also validate an approach which could become a model for English teacher development in other regions worldwide. The benchmarking study was considered a great success, and as a result, Cambridge English has been asked to repeat the study and extend its scope. Thank you.